Hey everyone, I hope that you are all doing well. I apologize, everything looks a mess like this. Sorry, this is real life right now. My mess of a life. So I did want to share with you guys a few things that I have really been loving that are new products or new-ish products. And I'm gonna share them with you, put them on my face. I actually haven't been trying a ton of new things. So if I do receive or buy anything, I do end up actually using it a lot. So these items I've really gotten to use and love. So the first product is by Jouer, and this is the Bare Rose Lip Kit. It is so freaking amazing. They are an all clean, cruelty-free brand. Look at this packaging. It is beautiful. So their lip pencil is obviously a twist up, and it's super creamy. Like, even if you have the driest lips like mine, it's still amazing. So let me show you. It almost feels like a lip crayon, almost a matte one. This is the shade, so pretty. And then their Shine Bombs, which are some of my favorite, super duper emollient, hydrating, not thick, not sticky. Look how pretty the shade is. This is like the perfect everyday shade. And let's put her on. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, how pretty is that? It's just the perfect everyday shade. Super shiny and glossy, but balmy as well. Super nice. So love this combo so much. Next up is this product by Glow Recipe. I got this a couple months back, but I've been using it nonstop. Like, it's so dirty, and I'd probably use a little more than half of it. And this is their Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops, and this gives you the most amazing glow. I put this with my foundation or my concealer, and it just gives you the best glow ever. And this has niacinamide in it, so it's so great for your skin. It's not like shimmery, but it just gives you like a beautiful glossy look. So this is what this looks like, and it has that really nice watermelon scent. So I even like to take it and just place it on my skin like that, and it gives like the most natural highlight. Super pretty. Can you see it? And that's pretty much how it stays all day. I'm trying to get the light on it, but super nice. So after you finish rubbing it in, and I like to tap it in, that's what it ends up looking like. This is actually not a new product, but this has new packaging. It is Lunar New Year today, so happy Lunar New Year to anybody that may be celebrating. But Fresh did send this to me. They sent me this Kombucha facial treatment essence, and this is a limited edition packaging. This product in itself, I'm obsessed with. It's just super refreshing, goes super deep down into your skin, anti-pollution, and it just really, it's a beautiful essence to really start your skin off before you put on any other products. So I have gone through so many of these essences, but I just live for their limited edition stuff because it's just so pretty. So thank you so much to Fresh for sending this over. They also sent over the black tea firming overnight mask. Like, this package is so beautiful. I remember loving the black tea skincare products, especially their masks, but I haven't used it in a while, so I'm excited to use this again. So thank you so much to Fresh. Like, just look how beautiful it is. Next up, let's continue with skincare. I put it back in the box just because their box is so beautiful. This is the Holifrog Halo AHA BHA evening serum. Now, when you think of AHA BHAs, I usually think of exfoliating things that tend to dry out my skin, tends to sting a little, but this stuff does not. I'll show you what it looks like. Now, if there was ever an exfoliating product with AHA BHA that is hydrating, this is it. This is it. So this is what that looks like. And lastly is a makeup product, which is the Urban Decay Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. Clearly, I love all things that help my skin glow. This stuff, I haven't been using foundations. I've been using just a touch of concealer if I needed to, but this is the perfect thing to just throw on top of your skin. It's like light to medium coverage, but it just gives you the perfect amount of glow on your skin. It's really nice. Can you see that? It just gives just the perfect amount of coverage and just a little bit of that dew so you look fresh and bright. This also contains kombucha filtrate and marula oil, so it's really, really wonderful for your skin as well. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Enjoyed hearing some of my products that I've been loving recently. I hope you all have an amazing weekend or day, whatever day you're watching this. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.